In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Chatgpt in Airtable. To do this, we are going to use Make, which is an automation platform that lets you connect Airtable and OpenAI using a ready-made template. Start by going to Make and opening your dashboard. Once you are logged in, look for the Templates area. In the dashboard, click through the highlighted menu options until you are viewing the template page for an Airtable to Chatgpt automation. This is the setup that creates a new Chatgpt completion whenever a new row is added in Airtable. When you are on the correct template page, select the option to create a new scenario from the template. This will copy the automation into your own Make account, so you can connect it to your tools. Give it a moment to load, and you should see the scenario editor with modules already arranged for you. Next, you will connect the accounts the scenario needs. In the scenario editor, click where it says to choose an account for the first service. If you already connected your Airtable account before, you can select it from the list. If you have not, open the account list and choose the option to add a new connection. Follow the prompts to authorize access. Make will guide you through signing in and granting permission. Take your time here and make sure you are using the Airtable workspace that contains the base and table you want to automate. Repeat that same process for the OpenAI or Chatgpt connection. Click Choose an account, and if you do not have one set up yet, click Add. When you add it, you will be prompted to provide the required credentials. Keep those private and do not share them. Once the connection is saved, select it so the module knows which account to use. After your accounts are connected, click through the remaining highlighted fields in the scenario to confirm everything is linked properly. This is typically where you verify the selected base, table, and the fields that will send text to Chatgpt and receive the response. As you click each highlighted area, Make will reveal what needs to be chosen or confirmed. At this point, the template scenario is created, and your accounts are attached, which completes the connection process between Airtable and Chatgpt through Make. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.